everyone, welcome back to our channel Creator Ideas. For further more interesting videos, do follow our YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe.
Hi friends, in this video I'm gonna unpack the Myntra product which I purchased recently. This is a skirt purchased. Let's start unpacking it. Here is the product I was talking about. This is not any collaboration video. This is just to share my experience with you all. This is the first time I shopped online for clothes. Due to some size issues, I never tried to shop, but this time I wanna give a try. Let's see how we get the product. Here comes our product. If you see, this is a black colored A-line skirt which is of knee length and its fabric is rayon. Here is the tip for you. If you wanna buy these type of skirts, we need to pick based on the waist size. The price of the product on tag it was $11.99, that is 1200. On off it was showing $4.19 when I purchased. On applying some coupon, I got this product for 305 rupees. At waist we have an elastic in the back. And we get buttons in the front, which looks really cool. I really like the product. It is very comfortable and it was as I expected. So this is my experience with Myntra, and let me know your experience with Myntra in the comment section below. If you want to get this skirt in your wardrobe, please go through the description for the link.